You ever wonder why we're here? It's one of life's great mysteries, isn't it? I don't know, man. But it keeps me up at night.
The estimated wait time is approximately 10 to 15 minutes. We appreciate your patience.
Thank you for calling Blizzard Billing and Account Services. This is Fabian. And the phone number can be reached after the line disconnects with the area code, please.
Good morning.
Hi. Can I get your phone number with your area code? Doing good. Can I get your phone number with your area code first?
No.
Okay. Any number you can be reached at in case the line disconnects.
Oh my god.
No. Stop whining.
Can I get your first and last?
Douglas Quaid.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Douglas Quaid.
Sorry, I have a lot of static on the line. Signal's coming through a little bit scrambled. I'm sorry if I asked for any information twice.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions. And I want to have them answered immediately.
Again, I'm sorry, I have a lot of issues with the connectivity of the line.
Who are you?
Oh, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start with the phone number that you're calling from with the area code first, please.
No.
Oh,
Okay, how about your first and last name?
Douglas Quaid.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch you there?
Douglas Quaid.
Okay, can you spell your first name for me?
No.
How about your last name?
No.
Okay, do you have an email address for me to capture? So any email address you can receive mail at today?
No.
Okay, how about a World of Warcraft account name?
Yes.
Okay, what's your World of Warcraft account name?
No. Come on, don't bullshit me.
Okay, well, I've provided all the information I can.
I will work honestly, without fear or favor.
Provided all the information I can. If you have any questions or have any direct questions or concerns about
Stop it!
Blizzard or World of Warcraft, please feel free to give us a call. We're open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific time.
Yes.
Good day.
Yes, 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 yes.
oh my god. Oh my god, that was so funny. He's like, what's your account name? What's your account name? No. Okay, let me just check it up.
I said, well, he asked me, like, what's my fucking Blizzard account name? He asked me if I had him, I said yes, and then he asked me what it was, I said no.
that was the best. Okay, I'm doing fucking Blizzard again. I'm doing it this time.
We are experiencing high call volume. Our current estimated wait time is approximately 10 to 15 minutes. We appreciate your patience. Thank you for calling Blizzard's Billing and Account Services. My name is Jessica. Could I please start by getting your first and last name?
My name's Duke Nukem.
Dukenenukem? Is that correct?
You talking to me?
Duke, if you don't have any billing issues, I will need to move on to assist the next caller. Is there someone
Yes.
actually there that needs assistance?
Stop whining.
I ought to break a broom handle off in your ass. Eat shit and die. Your head off and shit down your neck. I got balls of steel.
All right, since I will not be tolerating
Hell, it's my way.
of a phone call,
It hurts to
I
be
will need to move
you.
on to the
Blow
next
it out
call,
your
but I do
ass.
appreciate you taking the time, and
Blow it out your ass.
Bye-bye.
What's the difference?
They're like fucking robots.
I know, but still.
I came in for like 2 seconds because you fucking didn't say no, so I was about to click it, and then
Yeah,
like,
no, it
he
doesn't
just
have
said
a
shit.
yes or no, just a gay.
And then when she started complaining, I was like, stop whining.
I know, I'm like...
Your face, your ass, what's the difference?
Okay, cool.
Billing representative. To repeat this message, press the pound key. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. To return to the main menu, press 0. Please hold. We are experiencing high call volume. Our current estimated wait time is approximately 15 to 20 minutes. We appreciate your patience. If you are calling to modify, update, or recover account information, your first and last name must be the one registered to the account. Please have account information available to expedite the verification process.
Hello, and thank you for calling Blizzard Billing and Account Services. This is Dennis speaking. Can I have your first and last name?
Douglas Quaid.
And once again, this is Dennis from Blizzard Billing and Account Services. Is anyone able to come to the phone?
How are you?
Hello, yes, can I please have your first and last name?
Douglas Quaid.
I do apologize for getting in a very static area. Able to switch phones or move to a different location to try and get a better connection?
No. Trust me. I want to ask you a bunch of questions. I want to have them answered immediately.
I do apologize, but it is still actually quite difficult to hear you. I would recommend trying to call back from another phone number, see if we can get...
What the hell were you thinking?
Thank you for calling in.
Why not?
What the fuck did I do wrong?
What the fuck did I do wrong? Oh my god.